Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Soul Speak with Sonam. I'm here with another pick a card reading for all of you. And before we start, if you're new to my channel, I'm an intuitive tarot reader. I'm also a published author and a chakra healer. You can pick my book From Stress to Sorted. It is available in an ebook format on Amazon. It is helping a lot of people, and I'm donating all proceeds to charity. So do consider picking it if you want some very quick practical life hacks to deal with everyday stressful situations. This is especially targeted at millennials and people who don't have a lot of time to meditate or work on yourselves. It has practical exercises and it also has handmade doodles which I have made myself. And as always, if you want a tarot reading, you can book a session with me. My sessions are extremely detailed and there's a lot of guidance involved, and there is no time session in any of my readings. You can book a session. The details are in the description box. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and please like, share and subscribe. It really encourages me to make more such videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support. And now today we're going to do a yes no question, so go ahead, pick a card out of the three and we'll meet here. Hello, welcome back. I hope you've thought of a yes or no question. I'm going to, as always, also give you a lot of guidance and insight into it. I also have a brand new intuition test for you. So I have a card here and I want you to guess the number. This is between 1 and 20, both numbers included. Just guess the number of this card and I'm going to do a free reading for you, mini reading for you. So I hope that you guess this correctly. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe on my channel to win a free mini reading. And don't forget to leave your comment with the right number. It is between 1 and 20. And now let's begin for all the people who have picked pile 1. So let's see. You've thought of a yes no question. Let's see what the cards are saying. Oh my god, it's a big yes. I'm so happy for everyone who has picked card pile number 1, because this is the ultimate wish fulfillment card. So whatever it is that you're looking to get in your life, whatever this dream is, whatever this question was related to, it's a big yes. This is a complete wish fulfillment card. I don't think I need to pick anything else. So I'm getting the sense that a lot of you have been working very hard for a really long time. You have been seeing a lot of messages on social media which say that you're really close to getting your dream, or that things are finally coming in place for you, or they're falling in place for you, or something like that, or something positive is just around the corner. But yet this is something which you don't see any physical evidence of it yet, and this might be bothering you a little. And this card tells me that all those messages are not in vain. All those messages are pointing you in the right direction, and there is something very exciting coming up. I'm also getting the sense that you might feel at times that life has been unfair to you, or that justice has not been done, or you have always gotten the raw deal or the raw end of the deal in any relationship or equation. And this card just says that justice shall be done and you will get whatever it is that you deserve. Interestingly, this is also the card of karma. I'm getting the sense that most of the people who have picked pile 1 have had to deal with certain amount of bad luck in their life, and they feel that even though they do a lot of good karma for other people, or they don't hurt anyone intentionally, and they're very nice people and they believe in karma, it doesn't always work out for them. And this time this card tells me that if there is certain someone who you feel has not treated you fairly, or you have treated them nicely but they haven't reciprocated, this card shows that the scales will now be tipping in your favor, or things are now going to fall into balance. There's going to be some sort of equilibrium here in this equation. So this could be related to another person. If you have sent out a lot of good karma, then this is the time when you'll start you will start receiving the good karma. It, you know, what goes around comes around, and even though you might have felt until now that things don't usually work in your favor, this is the time when you will see that all the good that you've sent out is coming back to you tenfold. So I do see the scales are going to be balanced now. As I said, if this is regarding a relationship where you were putting in a lot of work and the other person was not reciprocating, then this shows that there's going to be balance in that relationship. This is also the card for Libra sun sign, so you might be a Libra yourself, or you might be dealing with someone who is a Libra, a Libran, and this just shows that, you know, justice will be done. However, this could also mean, it need not mean that the same person is going to reciprocate. This can also mean that generally, suppose in your love life, if you've been struggling a lot and you have usually been the one who's been who has been giving a lot and not receiving, this can just show that maybe the next person around the corner is going to come and make sure that the scales are balanced. So this is an excellent card to get. I'm very happy for all the people who have picked pile 1, and one thing that I can see is forgiveness. So I'm getting the sense that a lot of you are trying to manifest reconciliation with the past person. Your wish is going to come true, but you need to forgive them for whatever they have done in the past. Their karma has already taught them a lesson. They have already received a lot of bad karma for the way they treated you. It's not like they've not paid for it. Just because you didn't see their tears doesn't mean that they didn't cry. And moreover, I don't think it is our business to punish someone else for what they've done. I think there is a higher power or the universe out there which will ensure that, you know, people pay for the wrong things or the whatever things they do. Again, coming back to the reading, I feel that there is a strong sense of need to forgiveness. This could also relate to you feeling the need to forgive yourself, because I feel that a lot of you might be very harsh on yourself, or might be blaming yourself for something that didn't work out in the past. Maybe you feel that you could have done certain things differently for things to work out in your relationships or in your life in general. And this card tells me that you not only need to forgive those around you who have hurt you, but also you need to forgive yourself in order to get this wish fulfillment of yours. So yes, summing it up, this is a huge yes for all the people who have picked pile 1. If you are ready to welcome this into your life, do write I claim this in the comments below. Claim this reading. I'm just so happy for all of you, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment what number this card could be. This is between 1 and 20, both numbers included, and if you're lucky, you will win a free mini reading from me. Thank you so much for watching. So that was so exciting, and now we get to all the people who have picked pile 2. So let's see what the cards have in store for you. Okay, let's see. So I hope that you've thought of a yes no question. I'm going to tell you in details along with guidance on what I feel is going to happen. So okay, so for all the people who have picked pile 2, the sense that I'm getting is that a lot of you have been asking the wrong question. Okay, before you get mad at me, listen to me. So for instance, if you are asking about a certain person, is he going to contact me, or does he like me, or am I going to be with her, or something like that, I feel that the person that you're referring to, if this involves another person, that person is wrong for you. If you're asking about a particular job, that job is wrong for you. Whatever it is this question is about, I feel that they're not right for you. So the universe is saying that yes, you might very possibly get what you're wanting. The answer is yes, but also it's not right for you. So I feel that it comes with a lot of baggage. So it's a yes, but it's not what you want in your life, and maybe this is something that you don't realize right now. So the first card that I got is the Devil card, which of course tells me about a toxic equation or a relationship or just a habit or any sort of characteristic or a hobby or something, not hobby, a habit or something that you do which you know, consciously you know it's wrong, but you're not able to let go of it because it's in your comfort zone. So just as an example, some people have, they might have anger, procrastination, uh, addiction of some sort. It can be an addiction to, alcohol, to smoking, even to social media or watching TV or something like that. So this is something which is bad for you. This can of course be a toxic or an abusive relationship where one person gives and the other takes, or it's a very one sided or a skewed relationship. So this is something that I see. So those of you who are asking about a particular thing, and have picked pile 2, I feel that this thing is not right for you. This is the devil energy. The devil energy is good in the sense that it makes you look at things at the shadow side of things. So it makes you realize things that you don't usually acknowledge, but at the same time it's not right for you. So for instance, if you're asking about a job, I'm getting the sense that you might get this job, but this is not something that you really want, and after you take up this job you might realize that. So that is a sense that I'm getting for all the people who have picked pile 2. So if this is regarding a specific person that you're asking, I feel that this person has taken you for granted, and it's a very one-sided relationship where you give and they take. And this person, if yes they do come back into your life, or yes they do like you, or yes things are going to go ahead with them, this is not the right person for you, because this person is coming in with a lot of negative energy. This card confirms my doubt. This card just shows someone who always has to look behind their back. They always have to look beyond their shoulder, because there's someone behind them who's trying to hurt them in some way, or put them down, or just deceive them in some way. So this is not a very positive card to get, and that just tells me that this particular person that you're asking about, or this particular option or situation that you're asking about, that is not the best one for you, and that is, you need to focus your energies elsewhere. I feel that you're clinging too tightly to this opportunity. It could be that you're not able to let go of this person. You have been wanting this person for a really long time, and despite getting numerous signs from the universe about how wrong this person is, you still believe a part of you that this is right for you. But this reading is telling you that's not so. You need to stop clinging so tightly to this particular option so that new opportunities can come in. So I mean, I know this is not the kind of answer that you wanted to hear, but I also want to be very honest with you as a reader. I don't like sugarcoating my sessions, and I'm usually brutally honest with you, with all my clients. So I just want you to know that there's something better out there for you, something more suited, and the guidance, and it's the truth. So you are sort of, I feel, not acknowledging the truth in this relationship or in this equation. You're just ignoring the truth simply because it's something which is a little out of your comfort zone, or that's not something that you want to hear. We've all been there, there's no judgment here. All of us have been in situations where we have gone after the wrong opportunities or the wrong people because we are too afraid to face the truth, which can be very jarring, and it can be, it's not nice. It's not always the nicest thing to hear. So that's what I'm sensing. The guidance for you is to face the truth and to accept it, and know that just because something works out doesn't mean that it's the best outcome for you. You should try and manifest something better. So I feel that even though this person, if this is regarding a person or a job opportunity, you will get this, yes, but if I were you, I would turn it down. So that is the energy that I'm getting. Of course, these readings are general, and of course it all depends on your personal situation, for which you need to take a private session. But for all the people who have picked pile 2, this is the energy that I'm getting. So I hope this resonated. Do let me know in the comments below. I read all my comments. I'm very excited every time someone writes something which is encouraging. And as always, if you guess the number correctly on this card, it's between 1 and 20, both numbers included. If you guess it correctly, you're going to get a free mini reading from me. I'm going to contact you directly. Just leave it in the comments. You need to like this video, and you need to subscribe to my channel to win this mini reading. So don't forget to do that. And thank you so much for watching. And now we come to the end of the session. So we've come to the last pile, which is pile 3. So all of you who have thought of a yes no question and picked pile 3, let's see what the cards say for you. So let me see. So all the people who have picked pile 3, okay, so I'm getting the sense that okay, your answer is maybe. It's not a clear yes or a no. However, what I sense is that it's going to take some time, so you should have a lot of patience. A lot of people, whatever it is that you've asked about, is something which is going to possibly materialize over the next 4 or 5 months. It's not something which is going to happen very quickly. I feel for a lot of you, this will materialize in the second half of November or December. It's a good time because this is a card which denotes Sagittarians, and Sagittarians are the Sagittarius period is from November 22nd to December 22nd. So what you want probably will come to you, but you need to have a lot more patience. I also see that your intuition has been trying to take you in a certain direction for a really long time, but you are very confused. I feel that you might be a little confused between two options, or you might be a little unsure about what to do regarding this situation. This could be, I feel, for a lot of you who have picked pile 3, this could be about a situation which you're very confused about, and you might have just asked a question which deals with choosing between two options. This tells me that you just have to just be in the moment and don't force yourself to take a decision. I feel there's a lot of time ahead. Whatever situation it is that you're asking about, there's a lot of time, and I would say there is a 3 or 4 month period, and there's no pressure on you to decide right now despite what you're feeling. So give yourself time. It's not a very clear yes. I would say it's a maybe. It's more likely to happen though if you continue on your path for the next couple of months. So I feel that your intuition has been very strong. So all the people who have picked this pile, I think your dreams and your intuition is really guiding you. I think maybe you've worked on your third eye chakra, or maybe you've done some work on your intuition, maybe you've been meditating or something over the last couple of weeks or months, and this is showing up. I feel that the universe is communicating with you in a lot of different ways, and you need to just be aware and alert enough to receive the signs that you're getting. And the reason why I'm saying maybe is because I feel that whatever it is that you're asking for will come, but it will take time, and by that time there is a chance that you might change your mind. So if you stick on this current path, if you still want this 4 months or 5 months down the line, then yes, this is coming to you. If you change your mind, then of course you're going to manifest something else. So it all depends on whether you are willing to put in the effort, whether you're willing to have patience is key. Patience, I feel, is the key word for all the people who have picked this pile. And I feel that you might be distracted by another opportunity down the line. So maybe if you're asking about a particular job, there could be another opening at some point in the next couple of months which distracts you, and then you no longer want what you've been asking about. It could be a person. If it's a relationship, there is, I feel, possibly someone else entering your life soon. This is very likely to be an air sign, an Aquarius, Libra, or a Gemini, and this person might just intrigue you so much that you decide to forget about the other one, the one you're asking this question about. So what I'm trying to say is that if you stay the course, you will get what you want. However, there is a big chance that you will get confused somewhere midway, and maybe you will choose something else. And in the meanwhile, you can always trust your intuition to lead you to the right path. Either way, I think you need to have some patience, and you will get what you want. So for those of you who are not 100% sure about what you're asking and you've picked pile 3, I feel that the answer is maybe, and this is something which will happen, but by the time it materializes, you may not want it. So that's the energy that I'm getting. Do let me know if anything that I said resonated. I love reading your comments, and of course your guidance card is new beginnings, which tells me that this new person or new opportunity or new job or career or whatever it is, relationship, is coming your way. This is a new beginning coming your way, either on your current path or a new opportunity over the next couple of months. Depends on you which one you choose. You will have an option to choose. The ball will be in your court, so nothing to worry about. You can still get what you want right now, what you think you want right now, or you can wait for something better. Either ways, there is a new beginning ahead for you. So it's a very, all in all, a very positive reading. Do let me know if any of this resonated. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below with the number on this card. It's between 1 and 20, both numbers included. If you guess it correctly, you might just win a mini reading from me, and I will contact you directly. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.